For example, I've been working at Lincoln Center. I helped to start the Lincoln Center Institute, and I'm so-called philosopher in residence. And more, the bureaucrats at the institute want me to write things that they could to sell aesthetic education to superintendents, or to talk about it in a way that will support some kind of grant proposal. Uh, and I keep saying, you cannot prove it. You know, how can you prove that doing this or that will make an aesthetic experience more likely? And then I can keep asking people, how do you know when someone else has an aesthetic experience? Or how do you know when you have one, and how do you explain it? So, you know, I get very unnerved by the research they ask me to do. And they start a research circle on aesthetic education. I kept saying it's unethical to talk about proving something. I would like to say that if I know more about perception and I know more about imagination, I can talk more meaningfully about what happens in an encounter between a person and a work of art. And I was just writing that I can't prove that either. That for me, like for a lot of people, the perceiver or the appreciator is on one side, and the work of art is at the other, and the no, well, the work is at the other, and the work of art is an event that occurs in the encounter between consciousness and the work. I don't want to say it's measurable, so that's not good enough for my bureaucratic people. But I think that's true. I think you have to think of it as an event, and it's never the same for different people.